In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some basic features on Weebly to enhance your website building experience. We'll guide you through the steps, ensuring that you can seamlessly make changes and manage your site like a pro. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to the Weebly website. It's a well-known platform that allows you to build a free website or online store effortlessly. So type in the Weebly URL in your browser and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by their user-friendly homepage, making it crystal clear that you're in the right place to start building or editing your website. Next up is logging in. Look out for the option to log in with Google. This method is both quick and secure as it connects your existing Google account with Weebly. Click on that option and follow the on-screen prompts. This step eliminates the need for remembering yet another password, streamlining your login process significantly. After logging in, you'll be directed to your user dashboard. Here you'll find a list of your sites. Identify the site you wish to edit and click on Edit Site. This action opens up the Weebly editor where you can modify your site's elements. It's designed intuitively, so even if you're new to web design, you'll find your way around quite comfortably. Now it's time to adjust the sizing of various elements. On the editor dashboard, locate the option labeled X large and click on it. This is usually related to the size of your text or image elements, allowing you more control over how your content appears on different devices. Next, you'll want to add some text content to your site. Just click on the text option within the editor. This tool allows you to type directly into the site, letting you add new information or adjust existing text. Use this step to insert your personalized content or updates that you want to share with your visitors. Once you've got your text ready, it's important to insert links where needed. Simply type in the URL of the link you want to include within the text. This creates a hyperlink, making it easy for your audience to navigate to other pages or resources directly from your site. Finally, you'll need to save your work to ensure no changes are lost. To do this, locate and click the X at the top left corner. This is not only a step to save your changes, but also to exit the editing mode. Remember, saving frequently helps in preventing the loss of any sudden unexpected changes to your site. There you have it. A simple yet effective way to start managing your web presence using Weebly's robust tools. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.